So welcome to YEHLIU Geopark. Wow, there are many people in the line. So we are waiting in our line to go in the counter. So this is the price for tourists, $120, and half fare for students, children aged 6 and 12, and 65 years old or the senior citizen, and free for disabled citizens of Taiwan. So in YEHLIU Geopark, there are many animals, sea animals in the sea, and this is the rock, like some cute princess, Queen's Head, one of the famous rocks here, Mushroom Rock, but the most famous is Queen's Head Elephant Rock, the caves, the Taiwan Rock. So this is the map of the YEHLIU Geopark. And next is the fossils, the rock, like for example the Mushroom Rock, the trace fossils. So as you can see, there are statues of persons, and this is there in the right side is the Queen's Head too, but it's not kind of famous. The most famous here is the Queen's Head Rock. You can hear the rhythm of the sea. This is the northeast of Taiwan. This is located northeast, so you can hear the sea if it's raining. If it's raining or sunny, it's cold here in YEHLIU Geopark. So we're going to the Cute Princess, one of the famous rocks here in YEHLIU Geopark. So on the other side, that's the Queen's Head, but first we're going to the Cute Princess. And there we go, the view of the Cute Princess and the other rocks on the other side. So this is the Cute Princess, so we'll see it later. And this is the Cute Princess rocks, and the other rocks. And this is the rocks, and look at the rocks. So see, this is the bridge where you can take pictures in the scenic spot of YEHLIU Geopark. So this is overall the view of the rocks. You can take a picture on the bridge, you can take picture of the sea, and so my mom is taking picture in the sea. So she's taking picture in the many rocks. So we are now in the Mushroom Head, Mushroom Fossil, Mushroom Rocks. So this is the overall view, and that's it. Thank you.